guys. Today we're going to be talking about some science and some math mixed together, all right? Remember we talked before about the three phases of water. There's solid, like ice, liquid, like water that you drink, and gas, like the air that you breathe. Today we're going to be doing an experiment, and so what you're going to need is some paper and something to write with. All right, so come in close with me. I'm going to show you what to do. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write the word prediction on the top of your paper. And remember, prediction is when we make a really good guess about something. All right, so come over to the paper and I'm going to write the word P-R-E-D-I-C-T-I-O-N. And then if you look down here, you see that I've drawn the glass that I'm going to use first, right here. And then the second one I've drawn is this glass, which I'm going to use second. I've drawn this container, which I'm going to use third. And then I've also drawn the last container, which I'm going to use last. So what I want you guys to do is do that right now. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. All right, so right next to this, I'm going to draw the same picture. I'm going to do a circle, kind of like an oval, and then a rectangle. And then I'm just going to make the handle. Half circle, and I'm going to put a little line next to it. All right, then I'm going to draw this third one, little circle, and down and out, across and up. Okay, then I'm going to draw another line, and then bottom one, circle, and then rectangle again, and then another line. All right, and at the top of this side, I'm going to write the word observation. O-B-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. So prediction is our guess, our really good guess for how many cups of water are going to fit in here. And observation is what we're going to see when we do the experiment. All right?
Got it.
Okay, so like I said, we're going to be doing an experiment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a prediction. We're going to make a really good guess about how many cups of water are going to fit into each of these containers. All right? And how many cups of water fitting into each container is called the container's capacity or its volume. Okay? So the liquid water that fits in each container is the container's volume. Okay? So let's look at this one. All right? How many cups, so this is a cup, how many of these filled with water do you think are going to fill this up? What do you think, Mr. Lucian?
They kind of look like the same size.
So maybe like one?
I think maybe one.
So I'm going to go over to my prediction sheet, and on the side that says prediction, I'm going to write the number 1. I think 1 cup is going to fill up that glass. What about this one?
Pretty good guess. Ooh, that one's taller.
Yeah. Should we say 2?
Maybe 2.
2 cups to fill it up?
Yeah.
So I'm going to go over to my prediction sheet, and on this side, I'm going to write the number 2. All right?
Nice.
All right. What about this big container?
That's a big one. How
What
many
do you think?
How
Like
many?
12?
10?
10?
Maybe 10.
Okay, let's write 10. So I'm coming over to my prediction sheet on my paper, and I'm going to write the number 10. I think 10 cups of water will fill up this container.
But you guys should write whatever you guys think.
Yeah, it's your own prediction.
Might not be 10, might be less.
So what about this one?
It looks smaller than the big tall one.
Do we want to say 5?
Yeah, 5 is a good guess.
Okay. So we're going to go over to our prediction sheet, and we're going to write the number 5. So these are all of our guesses about how many cups of water are going to fill up these containers. And now we're going to do our observations. We're going to do the experiment and find out the exact number of cups.
Cool.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we'll start with number 1. All right, I'm going to fill up my cup with water, and then I'm going to pour it carefully into there. So that looks like about 1 cup, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, we're just a little bit over 1.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over to my observation sheet and I'm going to write down 1 because that was right.
We were right.
Yeah. All right, so now I'm going to do my second cup right here. So I'm going to get some water in here and carefully pour it in. And then maybe a half. Fill it halfway.
Yeah. Let's see.
There we go.
Nice.
All right, so then I'll come over to this and I'll write 1 and 1/2, which is 1/2. All right, so we were pretty close.
We were close. We were a little over.
All right, now I'm gonna go to my big container, which I guess would be 10. All right, I'm gonna fill that one up with water.
All
So
right.
that's 1,
Ooh.
2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. 9. Ooh. 10. What do you think? It's about 10,
I
right?
think it might be able to fit 1 more.
Think so? Let's try.
Can you scrape it out?
11. Ooh, perfect.
11. Did any of you say 11? Oh, hi, Milo. He said 11. He said, what are you guys doing up
All
there?
right, so now I'm going to go over to my observation side, and I'm going to write down 11.
Oh, we were so close.
So close. But it's okay if you didn't get your prediction right, because real scientists, they make a guess about what's going to happen, and then they do the experiment to figure out if they were right or not.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to carefully pour this back in.
Well, let's watch that.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Whew. Oh, just a little spill.
Just a little wave.
All right, so now we're going to go to our last container, and we predicted it would be 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if we were right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's going to be 4.
Yeah.
And 4.
Whoa, almost exactly 4.
Perfect, exactly 4.
Nice.
So we're gonna go over to our observation sheet and we're gonna write down 4. So if you look at our predictions and our observations, we did a pretty good job of guessing the volume of each of these containers. And the cool thing with this is you can do it with any container that holds liquid in your house. Water bottles, measuring cups, pots, pans, whatever your parents will let you touch.
Sippy cups.
Sippy cups, bottles. But yeah, you can do this experiment with anything that you have in your house that holds liquid.
Yeah, go try it out.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned tomorrow for some fun math where we do some data analysis.
Oh my gosh, that sounds great. Thanks for joining us. Bye,
Bye,
friends.
Hey guys, I just realized I made a mistake.
What?
I know. I spelled the word wrong. Come here quick. We have to fix it.
Oh, let's see. Maybe they've already noticed.
Did you notice I forgot a letter in observation?
You guys see which letter she forgot?
Oh, it was this one.
There you go. That's all we wanted you to know. That's
Whew, that was a close one.
that's the correct spelling.
Bye.
Bye again.